Good morning, this is Jack from Charlton Markets, and this is the pre-market webinar for crypto for the morning of Wednesday, the 20th of May. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm going to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ctmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, looking at Bitcoin, obviously we're still holding above the weekly middle band, which is the key support level on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, we are bouncing slightly off the 50 DMA, which is at 76.026, so that's just over 1,000 below where it is at the moment. I'm thinking we might possibly see a test of the daily middle band. I've got that at 79.453 at the moment. In terms of the hourly chart, no current divergence. The flag is going well. Could we be forming an a head and shoulders right shoulder here? Potentially, yes. So if so, I'd be looking ideally for a move up into about the 79.5 area, which would actually be a pretty good match with the daily middle band. All right, great. Let's have a look at the Solana chart, where obviously we are failing at the weekly middle band as we are on Ethereum, and I'm not expecting that to get broken. I've got that currently at the 93.09 area. In terms of the daily chart, we are breaking slightly below the rising support here, and we are below, of course, the daily middle band at 88.58. Looking at the hourly chart, we've got a very nice looking bear flag here, which is starting to break down. No current divergence, and we will see how that goes, but I'm expecting this. Maybe see a bit of a rally here. Not really thinking this is a head and shoulders forming, but it is a possibility. Ideally, that high would be in about the 90.78 area, but I'm skeptical about it getting that high. So on the 15-minute chart, we've broken slightly over the declining resistance from the 98.38 high. This is setting up for either a flag or possibly an inverted shoulders forming. I've got a possible chest neckline in the 87.23 area. All right, looking at Ethereum on the weekly chart, we have a fail obviously at the weekly middle band as well. I've got that at 2273, and I'm not expecting that to get broken. In terms of the daily chart, no current divergence, but a bit of a rally and a pullback, and we could set up an RSI 5 buy signal. We are getting pretty close to the flag support, and actually, of course, that given that the flag high was at 2466, that's already got us 400 points, and that's more than halfway back to a retest of the lows. In terms of the 15-minute chart, we've got flag channel support currently in about the 2030 area. We will see whether or not that will be breaking soon, but in due course, I'm expecting this to break down and reach the bear flag target at 1746.93. And on Solana, I'm looking for, when this makes the target, I'm looking for a retest of 67.65. These are all the February lows, of course, and I'm looking on Bitcoin for a test of 60.1K. So we shall see how that goes. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. Let's have a quick look at questions. Nope, no questions. In that case, I think that's a wrap. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Everyone take care.